Introducing the Redmi 10 Prime in color Phantom Black with 90Hz adaptive sync display. The smartphone comes in three color variants of Phantom Black, Astral White and Bifrost Blue. The smartphone comes in two memory variants of 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The device also supports RAM expandability up to 2GB. The Redmi 10 Prime flaunts 6.5 inches dot display with a full HD Plus resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. You will get a 90Hz adaptive sync display that offers smooth visuals. You can unlock your device easily with the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The smartphone features a quad rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel Super Start camera lens, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, 2-megapixel macro lens and 2-megapixel depth lens to capture high-resolution photographs with greater details. You can take beautiful selfies with the 8-megapixel front camera. The smartphone runs on MIUI 12.5 OS, powered by MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor with Hyper Engine 2.0 and up to 2.0 GHz clock speed. This smartphone allows you to do seamless multitasking and perform heavy gaming without any hassle. The massive 6000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support provides long-lasting usage and quick boost-up whenever necessary. You will also get a 9-watt reverse charging feature to charge up any other device with your smartphone. The box includes Redmi 10 Prime, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.